one come out?
David, come tell the...
It doesn't have polka dots.
It does have polka dots. What happened?
Giraffe.
Giraffes have what?
Polka dots.
Polka dots. What do tigers have?
Stripes.
Stripes. What do lions have?
No.
No stripes. That's right. What about zebras?
Have
That's right. What will happen? What will the lion do to a zebra? Do you know?
Eat it.
That's right. That's what lions eat. They eat zebras. Very good.
Yeah. So he has to go with his friend.
And who's his friend?
Mine.
Remember, she had the lion. She just wants her lion back. David, I understand. Rachel, are you playing with the lion? Okay, you should ask brother. Don't grab, okay? Give it back to him and say, can I have my lion, please? Go ahead, give it back to brother, and then ask for it, okay? Give it back and then ask. And then, David, you're going to give it to her, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Rachel, give the lion back. Baby. Rachel. Give David the lion. Hey, go give David the lion and ask for it, okay? Go ahead. Go. 1, 2, 3, go! Go! This plan is not working for you, is it? Can I have the lion, please? Thank you. Okay, David. Now, Rachel, go ask David. Say, David, may I have the lion, please? David. Oh, okay, she can take it from the zoo? Okay. You get to take your lion, Rachel, okay? There you go. You got your lion back? Okay. Say thank you, David. You guys are tired, huh? Chris is tired. She's sitting there with a dumb grin on her face. She doesn't know why. Hey, look at me. Say happy birthday, Charisma. Say happy birthday to Charisma, Rachel. Did you say happy birthday, Charisma? Who's my little big girl? And my big girl. What are you doing? Hey, I know. Where are we going to go in a few days? California? Say California. I like horses. That one. David, what do you have? What do you have?
A horse.
Right.
It doesn't have polka dots.
It doesn't have polka dots. Does it have stripes? No. And what does it like to say?
No.
What do they eat? Do you know what horses eat?
Hay.
Good job.
Hay and nay. Did you know that? Yeah.
They have the same sounds. Hey, nay. Yes, Rachel.
What's that?
It's a camera. Are you cute? Oh, don't do that. What's going to happen? Oh, that horse is going to go with the other horses. Yeah, our house is a mess. Look at all the mess in the living room. Who wants to help me clean?
I don't.
Thanks, guys, for your help. Who made the mess?
I didn't.
Yeah, right.
You did.
Yeah, I did.